Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to get out in the shop. I've got an FMF gnarly pipe I'm working on. I'm going to shine up some chrome. So this process that I'm going to go through can be used on any chrome, automotive, bicycle, motorcycle. I'm going to start out with some carb cleaner and rags and just get all the gunk and stuff off of it. I might have to brush it a little bit, just get it cleaned up, and then I'll actually start removing the rust, start the polish process. Using this piece of scrap wood I got laying around to scrape a bunch of this gunk off. That way I don't scratch up the finish. That'll actually knock off a little bit of the rust too. Alright, next step we're going to just take the steel wool. It's triple aught. Fine. And some water in the spray bottle. And we're going to start scrubbing on it. You can already see the rust starting to come off. And this rust right here is really thick. I think I can get a lot of it off, but it's probably not going to look perfectly shiny when I'm done. That's okay for me. On this heavily oxidized area, I'm going to take the abrasive wheel, my Dremel tool, and try to remove some of that. I think most of the chrome finish is gone right there. Okay, I'm done with the Dremel tool. I got a lot of that rust off. You can still see that there's some pitting there. That chrome finish is gone in that area. So we're going to give this thing a good cleaning. I went over the whole thing with the 4-aught fine steel wool. It's got some dings and wear, but this pipe's still in really good condition. So we're going to put it on the polish wheel next and see if we can shine it up. Alright, I'm going to start out with some of the coarse polishing compound on the wheel. Give that a try and see how it turns out. Okay, I've done this center section right here with the coarse compound. It's starting to shine up pretty nice. I think it's going to turn out pretty good. Next, I'll go to the medium and fine polishing compound, run it on the wheel, and see what we get. So here's the unpolished part right in here. And then this kind of lower midsection, I've just finished polishing that. Well, that wraps up this video. Let me know what you think. I think it turned out pretty good. And thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.